Okay, fifth problem from Trivedi book. We are now preparing opening balance sheet for the finding of, to know the capital fund. For that purpose, we are preparing balance sheet of Kakatiya Friends Club as on 31st 3 2006. Liabilities amount, assets amount. So first of all, asset side, cash balance. This is the figure from receipts and payments account opening figure. This one is cash balance 3800. Then in the additional information we have buildings worth 20,000 rupees. Then in the same place we have investments worth 50,000. Outstanding subscriptions we accrued but not received. These subscriptions 6,000. uh, Total there is amount to 79,800. So transfer into liability side, the balancing figure should be 79,800. This is the capital fund uh, for this club. Then now we move forward to income and expenditure account of Kakatiya Friends Club for the year ended 31st 3 2007. This is the current year. Debit, credit, expenditure amount, income amount. Expenditure side, so expenditure side we always looking into the receipts and payments account payment side. So there is a payment side, two salaries are there 20,000. Then two printing 22,000, general expenses 4,000. So then in the additional information we have sold asset value, so sale of investments value, there is a 45,000 value. So in the receipt side we received only 42,000. In the receipts and payments account receipt side we have received only 42,000 for the sale of investments, but actual value of this investment is 45,000. So loss incurred 3,000 rupees. We should take this loss on sale of assets. Then income side, by subscriptions, this amount we find in the receipts column of receipts and payments account. Subscriptions we have received 90,000. Still in the additional information we we should receive in the future amount is 500. Add this figure, then 90,500. So last year our outstanding subscriptions is 6,000. These amount included in the these present year collections receipts 90,000. So deduct that amount or subtract that amount. Last year subscriptions 6,000. We will get the figure 84,500. Then interest, all of you know interest we received 10,200. So credit side total 94,700. So this is transferred to debit side 94,700. Deduct the all debit figures, then we will get the 45,700 balancing figure. This is surplus. It means income over expenditure is 45,700. This should transfer to capital fund, add to the capital fund. If there is a deficit we deduct from the capital fund. So we move forward to closing balance sheet. Balance sheet of Kakatiya Friends Club as on 31st 3 2007. So opening balance sheet is 31st 3 2006. Now closing balance sheet is as on 31st 3 2007. Then asset side, cash balance. This figure will get at receipts and payments account closing balance. Credit side, payment side closing balance 5,000. Then outstanding subscriptions, this information given in the additional information last item 500. Then buildings. So buildings we purchased in the payments column we will get the information buildings 1,55,000. So we should add old buildings In the previous additional information of last year, we have one building worth 20,000. So add now, total figure is 1,75,000 worth buildings this club having. Then investments. This year we have purchased 20,000 investments. Last year we have 50,000 investments. Out of this 45,000 investments we have sold. This information we will get from the other information. So 5,000 investments are there, previous year investments. We should add these two figures and you will get the outer column 25,000. Total 2,05,500. Then this side in the subscriptions receipts column of receipts and payments account, we have donations 80,000. If the small donation, it will treated as income, but this is a huge amount, so we consider it is a capital account, capital amount. Donations 80,000. Then capital fund, this information from the opening balance sheet 79,800. Then add to surplus 45,700. Then we will get the total figure to 2,05,500. This is the problem. So solve it. Thank you.